What's up, guys? I know it's been a while, I'm sorry. And I apologize about the shaking hands. I had 4 cups of coffee this morning. But today, I just wanted to come out and do a start up on the 7.3 box truck before we get rid of it. Yeah. It's an 03 Econoline, obviously. And let's see how this goes. As you can see, it's low mileage for a 7.3. Let's see if she sends. Come on. Take 2. AC still works. As far as I know, the radio still works. Heat still works. Everything still works good on this truck except for the frame. It's all rotted out, won't pass inspection. See if the radio turns on. Yep, that works too. Checked the AC the other day. Okay. Here goes nothing. As you can see, it was inspected on our favorite day. I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. Rusty bumper. We have a dent up in the box that came from a railroad bridge. That wasn't meant for trucks. And in typical Adams County fashion, the frame is done. And so is the cab corner. Just pop the wrench. Turn that junk pop country off. But yeah, unfortunately she's got to go because nobody's passing her, so for inspection. And hopefully the motor goes to a good home. Has another 200,000 miles in it. But yeah. She's heading to the salvage yard. Had a lot of good memories in this truck growing up. Hauling plants around with my grandfather. And I guess all the good things must come to an end. Alright, see you in the next one, folks.